Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a boy named Leo. Leo found it difficult to make friends and often felt lonely. He was envious of the close friendship between Finn and Alex, two boys who had been best friends for years. Instead of trying to join them in a healthy way, Leo's jealousy got the better of him, and he devised a plan to drive them apart. He thought that if they stopped being friends, he could have each of them all to himself. Leo began spreading lies about them to one another. He told Finn that Alex had called him boring and no longer wanted to be friends. Then he went to Alex and claimed that Finn thought Alex was ugly and didn't like spending time with him anymore. The lies took root, and soon Finn and Alex grew angry and stopped talking to each other. They began confiding in Leo individually, sharing their secrets and spending time with him alone, just as Leo had wanted. But the happiness Leo felt was short-lived. Finn's mother noticed that something was wrong and asked him why he was no longer friends with Alex. Finn repeated all the cruel things Leo had told him Alex had said, but his mother, wise and caring, didn't believe it. She encouraged Finn to talk to Alex directly, suggesting he invite Alex over to their home for a conversation. Taking his mother's advice, Finn invited Alex over, and the two boys sat down to talk. They soon realized that Leo had lied to both of them and had intentionally caused their fight. Furious and hurt, Finn and Alex decided to confront Leo together. They came up with a plan. Alex would invite Leo over to his house, and Finn would join later to face him. When the day came, Leo was thrilled to be invited to Alex's house. He felt proud, thinking his plan had worked perfectly. He and Alex played together until Finn arrived unexpectedly. Seeing Finn, Leo froze, realizing something was wrong. The two friends confronted Leo, telling him they knew about his lies. When Leo realized his trick had been discovered, he broke down in tears. He felt ashamed and regretted what he had done. Through sobs, he apologized to both Finn and Alex, begging for their forgiveness. The two boys looked at each other, then at Leo, and said, "You reap what you sow, Leo." Though they were deeply hurt, they decided to forgive him. However, Finn and Alex made it clear that things had to change. They told Leo he needed to stop spreading lies and hurting others if he wanted to be their friend. They even offered to help him break his bad habit. With their support, Leo worked hard to stop lying and to be a better person. He learned to appreciate friendship without envy or manipulation. In time, Leo, Finn, and Alex became inseparable. Their friendship grew stronger with trust, honesty, and loyalty. Even as they grew into adults, the three remained as close as the Three Musketeers, proving that forgiveness, hard work, and true friendship can overcome even the most bitter mistakes.